Miele vacuum cleaners are premium durable machines known for strong suction and advanced HEPA filtration. They deliver powerful, quiet cleaning on carpets and hard floors, making them a reliable choice for allergy-friendly home care. Starting at number 1, Miele Compact C1 Pure. The Miele bagged canister vacuum cleaner is a powerful and lightweight option designed for homes with hard floors and low-pile carpeting. Its compact body style allows for easy storage, making it a convenient choice for various living spaces. Equipped with strong suction power, the vacuum features 6 adjustable settings tailored to different surface types, ensuring effective cleaning. It offers maximum maneuverability, allowing users to easily navigate around and underneath furniture, while also providing clipped-on accessories for cleaning upholstery and hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum utilizes Miele's innovative air clean system, which includes a genuine Miele filter bag, motor protection filter, and air clean exhaust filter, ensuring that the air in the room is cleaner after vacuuming than it was before. Number 2, Miele Blizzard CX1. The Miele Blizzard CX1 Pure Suction Vacuum is designed for powerful performance, featuring a 1200 Blabdu-minded powerline motor and vortex technology that effectively captures and separates coarse debris and fine dust with maximum suction power and aerodynamic airflow. It comes equipped with the Miele All-TQ universal floor head, which includes wide thread lifters that efficiently remove hair, lint, and fibers, making it suitable for cleaning both hard floors and low-pile carpets. With a generous 32-foot operating radius, a height-adjustable, comfort telescopic suction wand, and integrated vacuuming accessories, this vacuum offers full flexibility to reach every nook and cranny in your home. Additionally, its maintenance-free hygiene lifetime filter provides thorough filtration, capturing an impressive 99.98% of all fine particles, ensuring a cleaner environment. Number 3, Miele Triflex HX1. The Miele cordless upright vacuum is a lightweight and convenient cleaning solution that offers the power of a full home vacuum. Designed to stand upright unaided, this vacuum features Miele's unique 3-in-1 design, providing exceptional flexibility for cleaning various areas, including floors, furniture, and hard-to-reach spots like ceilings. It delivers performance comparable to Miele's most powerful corded vacuum series, ensuring perfect cleaning results across all floor types. The vacuum is equipped with an exchangeable Varta Li-ion battery that offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, along with a maintenance-free hygiene lifetime filter that boasts over 99.9% dust retention capacity. Additionally, the extra-wide electro-brush multi-floor XXL, 11 inches, with automatic floor detection, makes for effortless and efficient cleaning on all surfaces. Made in Germany, this vacuum combines advanced technology with practical design for an exceptional cleaning experience. Number 4, Miele Complete C3. The Miele canister vacuum is designed for powerful and quiet performance, making it suitable for all flooring types. It features an electro brush with an LED headlight for carpets and a parquet floor head for smooth surfaces. Equipped with a HEPA lifetime filter, this vacuum ensures maximum air hygiene by retaining up to 99.999% of even the smallest particles, including fine dust and allergens. The Miele Complete C3 series offers added convenience with integrated accessories, a comfort handle, and a one-touch cord rewind feature. Additionally, it includes suction power controls that allow users to operate the vacuum without bending over, promoting a more ergonomic cleaning experience. Number 5, Miele Guard M1. The Miele vacuum cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for various floor types, including bare floors, carpets, hard floors, and rugs. It operates at 25.2 volts and weighs 11.5 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver with its smooth swivel wheels. The vacuum features a complete cleaning set that includes the All-TQ universal floor head and all-floor brush, ensuring effective cleaning across multiple surfaces. Its air clean filtration system captures fine dust particles, promoting cleaner exhaust air. Users can easily monitor suction levels and bag status through LED performance icons. The ergonomic handle and flexible hose enhance user comfort and control, while the low-profile floor head allows for easy access under furniture and in tight spaces. Built with durable construction, this vacuum is designed for long-lasting daily cleaning performance.